Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the religious orientations in Sindh. सिंध तारीख़ी एतबार से बहुत अहमियत का हामिल है। ये it is considered the third largest province by area, as well as the second largest province by population. इसकी अहमियत इस वजह से है क्योंकि सिंध को बाबुल इस्लाम कहा जाता है और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि 1712 में मोहम्मद बिन कासिम ने जब राजा दाहिर को शिकस्त दी तो यहाँ पे इस्लाम का निज़ाम कायम हुआ और इस्लाम की आमद जो है वो सिंध के रास्ते पाकिस्तान के और इंडिया के या बर सग़ीर के दूसरे इलाकों के अंदर भी हुई। तो इस्लाम की अशात में इस अहमियत की वजह से सिंध का जो है वो इस्लाम की तारीख़ में एक बहुत बड़ा मुकाम है। Sindh was created as a separate province in 1937 during the British colonial period. If we talk about the distribution of people with the religious orientation, Muslims are 91.31% of the total population of Sindh, whereas the Hindus are also in the significant minority, which is the 6.5%. Alongside them, the Christians are also present, maybe 1% more or less of the total population of Sindh are Christians. Ahmadis are also can also be found with the 0.11% of the total population, and then we have the scheduled castes, which are also more or less 1% of its total population, and the other unknown or maybe less known religious orientations, people with religious orientations, are also 0.1%. Here in this pie chart, you will see a glimpse, a quick overview of the distribution of people with their religious orientations in the province of Sindh. If we talk about the religious orientation and its particular variations within Islam, we have a great following of Sufi tradition in Sindh. The first Sufi in the Sindh was considered to be Haji Turab, who came in the 9th century in the province of Sindh. The first branch of Sufism is considered to be Sohrawardiya Silsila, which was found in the 13th century in the south of the Punjab. And then we have the Qadriya and Naqshbandi branches of Sufism, which were considered to be coming in the Sindh during the 16th century. If we talk about the important Sufi poets, we have Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai, who was born in 1689 and died in 1752. Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai was considered to be one of the great philosophers, poet, and thinkers, mystic Sufi, and saint. And his statue is installed on the Tambura Chowk in Sindh. And his Urs is commemorated every year from the 14th of Safar, and it lasts consecutively for the 3 days. Here you will find the pictures of which are attributed to Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai. Then another great name in the Sufi tradition, we have Sachal Sarmast, who was born in 1739 and died in 1827. His original name was Abdul Wahab Farooqi, and he is a great Sufi Sindhi poet. His 3-day Urs is celebrated in the Daraza Sharif, at the beginning of the 13th, from the 13th of Ramadan to the 16th of Ramadan. And many conferences and musical concerts based on his poetry are also held to commemorate his great Sufi influence on the region. Here is the picture which is considered to be attributed to Sachal Sarmast.